this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Red Chef. This is their Hiam dried noodles. So I've reviewed this before, but it was under a different brand name, and now it's under Red Chef. That's the only difference as far as I know, but you know, I gotta review it, so that's what I'm doing. And last time, this ended up being really high up on the top 10 list because it was really freaking good, as you can see here. And 4 to 5 minutes to boil the noodles, and you drain it, and then you add a bunch of stuff in. So, yes. So let's drop the noodles in. Here's the noodle block. Try noodle. Woo! Non-fried. And there we go. So let's see. It is March, what, 10th? I think it's the 10th. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. It's almost my birthday. I'm pretty happy about that. And, yeah. I think I'm happy about it. I'm happy about the fact that I continue to have birthdays, but getting old. That's alright. That's alright. I don't know. I wish it was kind of like on Mork and Mindy where they get younger as time goes on. But I don't know. I feel pretty young. Here is the paste. And the water is boiling. The noodles are cooking. It said 4 to 5 minutes. Honestly, I think the label said 45 minutes, but I know that means 4 to 5 minutes. Generally, I will do exactly what the label says, but that would be ridiculous. So I'm gonna... I'm not gonna cook these noodles for 45 minutes. It's not necessary. Trust me on that. But, yeah, what I've been up to lately. Been walking around a lot. Been, like, trying to ramp that up. It's sunny today. It's supposed to start getting cloudy and rainy pretty quick. Yesterday, it was, like, cloudy, then sunny, then cloudy, then sunny. A little bit of breeze and cold. And I think it, like right now, it's like 33 degrees. And spring starts on the 20th. So, yeah, better start shaping up quick. I think it will. It'll get nicer. But yeah. So it's been kind of crazy around here. My wife hasn't been doing so great, and trying to figure out what's going on. And finally she got into a doctor, and there was a long wait list, and it was supposed to be the day after my birthday, but they got her in today, this morning. She just did that. And instead of the thing that they said that it was, now they're saying it might be something else, and they got to run tests, and those will take 3 weeks. It's like, damn you, COVID. It's like, we got COVID. I ended up with a blood clot in the ICU, all that stuff. She got it, well, we all got it, and she ended up with just like these constant aches and pains that are like, it just feels like her bones are, or muscles and joints are just all screwed up. And they thought it was one thing, now they're trying to say maybe it's something else, and they want to just make absolutely sure, which is good. You want to be thorough. You don't want to start somebody on a therapy for something if you're giving it the wrong therapy. I'm like, did they give you anything for pain? Sounds like they're really not, which really sucks. It's hard. It's hard when you see your wife kind of like really in a lot of pain, but hopefully this is gonna get better soon. So send good vibes to the matron of the house. But there have been a lot of fun and happy things lately. We got a couple guinea pigs, and the other day we were out getting bedding and hay for them, and I was like, we should get another one. So we got another one, and I named it Yolanda. And Yolanda didn't get along with the other two, so Yolanda had to go back, which was a bummer, right? It was an all solid, like tan colored one. I really wanted one like that, but no, Yolanda didn't do good. But then we got Louise. She's actually the biggest one in there. Uh-oh. There. Oh, it's way down here. No? Where is it? I need to drain. There it is. But yeah, so that's been fun. The kids have been really stoked on that, and so have I. I swore I would never hold these things, and that all lasted about 2 hours, if that. Like, no way. Get them, but I'm not touching them. Definitely had some fear of the little animals, but honestly now I really don't. The new one, she's still getting kind of socialized and okay with everybody here, so they're kind of interesting little creatures. They're really nice. Got one named what we got? Petunia, Betty, and Louise. The new one's named Louise. I named her. She didn't like the name Yolanda. I was like, come on, Yolanda. Like, why are you picking Yolanda? I had to pick Juanita. She's like, why are you picking all these Hispanic names? Like, I don't know, but guinea pigs are, I guess, originally from Peru, so that kinda-ish fits. But they're nice little things. They eat a lot of vegetables, which has been kind of nice. It's required me to go to the produce stand, which is now open, and a place that I can access via sidewalk, which is nice. It used to be we didn't have a sidewalk that would get us there, and now we do, and that is nice. It's still a ways, but that just means a nice long walk. The other day I went and I got some cabbage. So it's like, it's a long walk, plus you got to carry everything home. So that was like carrying a bowling ball home. I didn't realize that it'd be so heavy, but alright. You're probably thinking like, really? That's top 10? It's a noodle, you can't really see a whole heck of a lot going on there. Oh, but there is. Cheers. Wow. Oh man, yeah. Huh. So this has like a lot. Wow, a lot of prawn flavor. It's got like little chewy bits in there too. I am totally sold on this stuff. Wow. So there's 3 brands. There's Red Chef, there's Kampong Ku. Oh, no, there's 2. There's 2. The other original, these were sold as Chili's brand, but I guess there was another Chili's brand, so they had to Red Chefify it, which is fine. Red Chef's a great name. Okay. But this paste, wow. But yeah, it's like a seafood meat sauce. It's so heavy duty. Well, what are we gonna do with this one? Well, I'm gonna add a lovely egg. Well, if it's shrimp flavor, you can't really go wrong with adding some more shrimp. Some nice big ones. And could do mint. Is this the mint? The situation with the grocery store has been getting a little better, but still there's like meh. They're not always the best as far as the produce, but that new produce place, wow, their stuff looks so nice. Yeah, I usually wouldn't use mint with this, but I think it would work nicely here. And we're gonna add some spring onion right on top. A little bit more. Kind of even things out. There we go. I'm liking that. Do we want some sesame seed? I see, why not? Okay, still working with this thing, getting it all figured out. That looks all right. All right, do it to it. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, the next one you're going to see is this. And this is another Red Chef product. This one's on the top 10. This is green tom yum soup noodle. So check it out tomorrow. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.